G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Yesterday I laid the floor. I don't like splits, but I have on this shower floor because there's only a just one glass panel, so I wanted to give it absolute heaps of fall. I don't like clips between the split either, so it's all together and it's hardly even noticeable. So with the floor done, I'm about to start on my walls DIY. So of course I'll be going up this front wall as you come in from the door. That's the first wall you do. Then I'll go to the side wall, that wall, and then the back. Okay, we'll see you soon. See ya, bye.